Star Rapid is committed to providing you with the finest CNC milling and turning services. We take care of every detail to reliably provide you with a delightful customer experience. We do this by using world-class equipment and tools, and by investing in advanced process control software, by training our customer service team and engineers to meet international standards. Our goal is to deliver high-quality parts and prototypes with short lead times. We're easy to reach. Want to know more? Contact us now.